Well, hello. We are in the Lancer Tactical and Bio Manufacture booth at IWA 2023 with the guys from Airsoft.nu. We are going to explain the novelties and existing models of Lancer Tactical and Bio Manufacture. Here we have some existing models of Lancer Tactic, our bestseller LT15 with suppressor. Here we have a recently added model LT35, which is a 9mm one, has Gen 2 inside. Very short, really good for speed softers. Here in red and blue, we have some models which we are probably going to make. They are made mainly for rental because many airsoft fields are using Lancer Tactical for rental because they are really reliable, so they don't have to repair them so often. Here we have the new line of Lancer Tactical. They are the Europ-Arms. It's made in full aluminum. It's a new body designed by the Lancer and the Zion engineers. We have a new Delta stock, also from Lancer Tactical. And inside you have a Nebula electronic trigger, which is programmable. This is going to be ready to buy and available in Europe around mid of May 2023. The 9mm ones. The long version and the short version. The 556 version will be available probably October, November. And we will make them in 3 colors, the ones you saw. So the silver in the small model, the black one, and this gray color. Here we have the first DMR of Lancer Tactical, which is a really cool addition to the product line. It also has a Nebula trigger inside, so it's Gen 3. It's a programmable trigger. Also some metal rail, and the silencer, well, we had to paint it because it's coming directly from the US, so we paint it in black. So this is why it looks a bit different here, but you know, looks great as a DMR. A different version of the DMR. Yeah. Shorter handguard, longer silencer. There is an existing it's already available in the market, version of Lancer Tactical MK18. It's a Gen 2 inside, so extremely reliable, very affordable, and the handguard it's made of metal. Comes also with the grip, a very nice magazine too. This is the Real 3 camo version. It's coming directly from the US. We were not sure about doing it, but after the good feedback we had from distributors, customers, also players, we are thinking that we were going to bring it to Europe. So now we are introducing the Lancer Tactical pistol range. This model is named Nightshade. This is a version we saw in a SHOT Show 2020 and 2021. Now we have it available. It's a 5.1, really special grip, And we have it available in Europe in black color with gold details. This is gold, gold, this is gold, and this is gold also. In the version which is available in Europe. The pistol is available right now. So this is the LTX from Lancer Tactical. We had it available 1 year ago. We sold it really good. It's a very competitive pistol in price. It's fully made in metal, works with CO2, so it's really good for to play in cold weathers. We expect to have it again available in September. And this is the Strike version. It's again a high kappa 5.1. Different grip than the Nightshade, different slide. It's compatible also with slide manufacturers as Masterpiece. All the pistols are compatible with Tokyo Marui, and we are going to have them in 5.1 and 4.3. This is the STF-12 from Europ-Arm in gas version, made of metal. We have decided to make a fixed tank of gas to make it more reliable, because the less O-rings we have here in this system, the less leaking we are going to have. Again, under BO manufacture, we are going to present this year the two new Reno Airsoft revolvers, the Reno 30DS and the Reno 40DS. We are going to introduce it in black color. They are identical versions of the Reno revolver, just perfectly made, identical replicas. Heavy, made in cooperation with the designer of the real Chiappa Reno.